Welcome to the Aggressive Hydraulics 2024 Year in Review. We are the hydraulic cylinder specialists. 2024 was a year defined by innovation, investment, and unwavering commitment to excellence. This year, we made strategic investments in people and processes to build a strong foundation for the future. From welcoming talented new team members to refining workflows, every decision reflected our commitment to long-term success. Our leadership team guided this growth, fostering collaboration and innovation that positions us to meet the evolving needs of our customers. As part of our commitment to investing in employees, supervisors, and team leads participated in breakout leadership development sessions to strengthen skills and drive organizational success. Innovation has been a key driver for us this year. We enhanced automation in our component cell and milling areas, upgraded robotic stations, and optimized important workflows, such as our overhead paint rail and staging areas, to maximize efficiency. Additionally, we made significant upgrades to our racking system, which have increased capacity and improved workflows, further streamlining our operations. Our investments in advanced ERP and MRP systems have enabled us to shorten lead times, improve production planning, and stay price competitive in an ever-changing market. Every improvement reflects our commitment to delivering high-quality custom hydraulic cylinders while remaining agile and responsive to industry demands. This year, Aggressive Hydraulics elevated our marketing and sales support with a focus on improving the quality of our message and materials and expanding our knowledge-sharing initiatives. A key highlight was the development of AH University, a dedicated section on our website for expert insight in custom hydraulic cylinders. Our people are our greatest strength. This year, we supported personnel development through training programs and created opportunities for youth to gain hands-on experience through internships, apprenticeships, and skills training. During Manufacturing Month, we connected with the community through facility tours and demonstrations, showcasing our capabilities and the dedication of our team. These efforts highlight our commitment to empowering our workforce and fostering the next generation of manufacturing talent. As we reflect on 2024, we remain focused on innovation, collaboration, and excellence. At Aggressive Hydraulics, we don't just build hydraulic cylinders. We build the future of our industry with purpose-built hydraulic cylinders designed to set the standard for performance and reliability.